How to show this PC icon on desktop Windows 11. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, right click on the empty space over here and click on Personalize. So click on Themes and then click on Desktop Icon Settings. So go ahead and make sure that computer is ticked on and then untick this Allow Themes to change desktop icons. And once you've done that, click on OK. So this should get your PC icon to show on your desktop Windows 11. If this doesn't work, you can create a shortcut. So right click on the empty space and hover over New and go to Shortcut. And then go ahead and type this and click on Next. So you can name this shortcut My Computer or This PC. And once you've typed the name for the shortcut, you can click on Finish. So a shortcut will appear here. And if you don't like the icon, you can right click on it. And then click on Properties. And then click on Change Icon. And then go ahead and type this. And then click on OK. So you'll be able to select whichever icon that you want. So I'm just going to click on this one and then click OK. And you'll see that the icon has been changed. So this is how to show this PC icon on desktop Windows 11. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.